You're on in 3, 2, 1, beep.
Welcome to another episode of Last Resort Craft Shack. So I had another one of those creative urges.
Oh no, not again.
Oh yes. Here's what happened. So my idea was I wanted a small wooden shelf with a stone mural in the back that had a beach scene on it. I just drew it on my cell phone.
Sir, shouldn't we have entrusted the design to AI? Wouldn't that have been easier and less time consuming?
The whole idea here is to create human designs and to kick AI in the butt, in the tushy.
But won't you give AI another chance, sir?
All day long, you're hearing AI this, AI that, nya 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 nya. I'm tired of it. I've had enough. No more AI. Alright viewers, so the next thing is...
Don't do it, sir. Stay calm, boss.
Pardon me for that. Let's carry on.
Well, okay, that's why you are the boss, making the big decisions around here.
Yes.
I'm not convinced, sir, but let's see where your skills and know-how leads us here.
Alright then, hush. I need to narrate this thing. It's hard enough to do this without the interruptions around here.
Alright, carry on, boss.
Alright viewers, so here I'm pretty much just testing out colors to see if I can even pull this whole thing off. Turns out I could. So the backboard is just consisting of a piece of plywood. Then I nail together the shelf and attach it to the backboard from the back. After the shelf was assembled, I stapled down some metal lath. And on top of that, I slapped and smeared on some cement mortar. Made it even, just barely covering the metal lath, a thin and even coat, so I can then set the stones right on top of that. And the key word here is even.
Boss, wouldn't the proper way of saying it that you applied cement mortar, rather than saying you slapped and smeared on some mud?
I say potato, you say potato.
That was most nonsensical, sir.
Well, let's continue with the video. Time is monkey.
Money, boss. Money.
Oh no, you just had your payday 2 days ago.
Lord, give me strength. Are you quite sure that's how it's done, boss?
Hey, I know how to swing a trowel and play with mud. And dare I say I'm quite good at it. Now I'm letting the mortar dry overnight.
Hot mic, boss.
So I started setting the stones inside the backboard of the shelf. Since I had a couple of pieces of driftwood, I cut those out and turned those into surfboards. I then sanded down these surfboards manually with sandpaper.
No disrespect, sir, but sometimes it seems like you have no idea what you're doing.
Okay, I admit that.
That didn't make any sense either.
This is where my patience got tested once again. One could say it's like setting a complicated puzzle. No, I don't like puzzles. In fact, I hate puzzles. My mind was puzzled.
No, still not making sense, sir.
So when everything was dry the next day, I moved on to the grouting.
I know we're building things no one asked for, but do you think this shelf thing is a good idea, boss?
Well, of course it is. A little more trust from you would be appreciated.
I could have been designing rocket spaceships for NASA, but instead I ended up with a John Wayning, go lucky, let's wing it Sunday amateur garage crafter.
Now I could bore you guys by explaining every single step. But as they say in France, a picture is worth 1,000 chinwags.
I've been to France, sir. And no, they don't say that, ever.
Oh, you've been there?
Why am I doing this? Okay, boss, it appears you got lucky once again.
So here's what the piece looks like the next day after grouting. I'm applying some linseed oil to the surfboard.
Shattered teacup, sir. Admittedly, I'm impressed. Wouldn't mind hanging that into my own shack. Of course, I can only afford to live in an old shack because you're only paying me $8.50 an hour, sir.
You have to go on about that again? Say focus, man. Oh hey, that was narrating, Max Headroom style.
Who in the world is Max Headroom? I've never heard of him.
Well, too bad. I guess you had to be growing up in the 80s.
Rotten biscuit crumbs. Here we go again with the 80s.
Final step. Oh, that went fast, didn't it?
I guess time flies when you're having fun, boss.
Gluing on the Malibu sign. The sign is also a piece of driftwood. Huh?
Are you alright, sir?
Now here, compare my first drawing with now the final result. What do you say, Olaf?
Magnificent, sir. I'm sure the Allied Craftsman Association will call you any day now to award you the Golden Trowel and adopt you into the Craftsman Hall of Fame. That's probably them right now, sir. Last Resort Craft Shack. Olaf speaking. Yes, I understand. Cheerios.
Was that them?
No, it wasn't. That was your wife calling to tell you that the washing machine broke again.
Welcome! It's almost noon, no wonder I'm hungry. Hey Olaf, go get me a burrito, extra meat.
Won't you rather have an extra bean burrito, boss? Remember, cow farts are bad for the planet, sir.
Now listen, son, if I eat an extra bean burrito, I'm going to be out fighting an entire herd of cows, okay?
What have I done to deserve this?
Definitely. Hey listen man, is the dark roast ready yet? I'm thirsty. Alright viewers, so the next thing